What's the meaning of capital punishment? Capital punishment. Capital punishment.
Capital punishment. Capital punishment. Capital punishment, also known as the death penalty, is a legal process where a person is sentenced to death by the state as a punishment for a crime they have committed. The result of capital punishment is the execution of the sentenced individual, usually carried out by lethal injection, electrocution, gas chamber, hanging, or firing squad. The use of the death penalty has been a source of controversy for many years, with arguments on both sides regarding its effectiveness as a deterrent and its morality.